DAC Connect, Part 1, Getting Started. First in a short series of tutorials to help you get started using DAC Connect. You will be provided a link by your administrator, a user ID, and a password. The login screen looks like this. You will enter your user ID, your password, and then you will touch the login button either on your tablet, laptop, or computer. You might be using a mouse or you might be on a tablet just tapping. Once you log in, you'll see some entries that are customers. I want to go over the basic controls. First of all, you want to use the controls that are on the page itself once you log in. Don't use the back button on your browser or the reload button if you can avoid it at all, but mainly stick with the buttons and controls that are on each page. You have a series of buttons at the bottom. Enter is basically like a submit button. You have a back button, a forward button. Those would page you backward and forward through the list of whatever you see on the screen. So forward takes me alphabetically forward through some customers. Back takes me backwards. Exit just goes back to the previous level, which in this case would be back to the login screen. You have some little round buttons, so little circular buttons. Those are called radio buttons. If you click a radio button, generally it takes you deeper into the next level. So if I click the radio button here beside King's Forest Exxon, then it drills in and it shows me more information about King's Forest Exxon. Now there's another type of control called a drop down. And so if I click the radio button beside custom orders, these little rectangular type of controls are what we call a drop down. And you'll notice when you click the little downward arrow, then it gives you a list of choices that you can make. So that's what is called a drop down. On several pages, scattered throughout, if you get pretty deep into the DAC Connect application, you'll see a log off button or a log off button at the bottom. In any case, if you want to end the session and you're through working, you can simply touch or click that button. You'll see a dialog that comes up and asks if you're really sure that you want to end. If you say yes, then you'll be returned to the login screen. A good practice to also conduct is when you're actually through working to click the close button from the login, and that actually shuts everything back down on the server. To resume, just simply click this little link here that says here to start a new session, and you'll see your login screen again. So those are the basic fundamentals to navigate around in DAC Connect. Hope you enjoyed